Hello dear all, thanks for tuning in. As you see the displacement of all these gearbox parts in front of me for this gearbox 151 for man truck. As you see, today we are going to be assembling everything back as we dismantle. Though when I was dismantling the gearbox, I didn't make any video. So today we are set for everything. These are our new spare parts. As you see, everything there, the ones that we have to replace, they are already here. So as I repair the gearbox, I will make sure that I update you on what to do so that you get some clue of experience on how to assemble this gearbox 151 ZF for man truck. These are the spare parts that we have to change. These are the spare parts. This is the oil pump. All these synchronizers are bad. We have to make a replacement of everything here so that this gearbox can actually perform well, good and accurate. So I'm going to start my coupling of this gearbox straight away. Thank you for being patient. Thank you for following. And please, if you are new to this channel, kindly do us a favor by subscribing. Click on the notification bell so that each time we upload a new video, you also get the signal too. So that you don't doubt, because many people are asking for a long time now you have not posted. For a long time you have not posted. It's just because people subscribe but they don't click on the notification bell so that each time I upload video, they can get it. So please, if you have not yet clicked on the notification bell, it is time. It is not yet late. And if you are new, it is not yet late. Come on, do us a favor. Thank you so much. The assembly, you can start it on any side, either from the high gear section or from the low gear section. So from here, this is the low gear section coming to the reverse. So straight away, we are going to start with gear 2.